Welcome back, our esteemed viewers, on yet another video. Like we all know, the separation between Mungai Eve and Trevor has been trending. Their separation has stirred opinions and comments from their fans as well as the digital space fraternity. Mungai Eve has now come out to clear the air on what really transpired. She took to her Instagram social media handles and wrote, and I quote, "As bad as you wanna address it, some things are better left unsaid. I'm learning." This remarks has left her followers and fans in awe to know what is really happening. Like we all know, Mungai Eve left Zanzibar for a vacation days after the information about the separation was left out of the bag. In one of the comments, a fan asked Mungai Eve, "YouTube ni gani to follow?" And Eve Mungai replies, "Soon." This response comes weeks after director Trevor changed all the social media handles to KOM. On the other hand, Trevor posted a video giving Kenyans a snippet of a lady he was having some good time with, leaving Kenyans anticipated to know who could she be. The big question still remains, are these two separated or are they playing mind games to Kenyans?